In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make click-to-call email WhatsApp in Elementor WordPress. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can add a button that lets visitors call, email, or chat on WhatsApp with a single tap. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click Pages, then choose the page you want to work on and click Edit. Next, select Edit with Elementor to open the page builder. You'll see your page on the right and the Elementor panel on the left. In the panel, search for the button widget. Drag the button onto the section where you want the action to appear, top of the page, a contact section, or even the footer. Click the button to edit it. Under the Content tab, change the text to a clear call to action, such as call now, email us, or chat on WhatsApp. Short, action-driven text works best and is easier for users to understand quickly. Now set up the link. In the link field, enter the type of action you want. For a phone call, type TEL, followed by your full number in international format without spaces, like TEL, to add a country code, your number. For email, use mail to, followed by your address, for example, mail to yourname@yourdomain.com. For WhatsApp, use https://me/, followed by your number in international format, like http://me, your number. Be sure to use the correct format for best results. Include your country code and avoid spaces, dashes, or parentheses. For WhatsApp, enter digits only. For email, you can pre-fill a subject and message using parameters, for example, adding. Subject, your subject. Subject and body, your message, to the end of the mail to link. On mobile, these links open the phone dialer, your mail app, or WhatsApp directly. On desktop, they'll open the default apps or the web versions where available. If you want, click the gear icon next to the link field to choose options such as opening in a new tab. Then switch to the Style tab to adjust colors, size, and typography. Make sure the button color contrasts well with the background so it's easy to see and meets accessibility guidelines. You can also add an icon, like a phone or chat symbol, to make the action instantly recognizable. To make it stand out, consider a larger size, rounded corners, and a subtle hover effect. Use Elementor's responsive controls to fine-tune the button on tablet and mobile, and place it in key sections to improve conversions. When you're happy with the button, make sure your changes are saved by updating the page. Preview the page to confirm the button looks good and that the link opens the correct app on your device. That's it. You've added a click-to-call, email, or WhatsApp button in Elementor on WordPress, giving your visitors a faster way to reach you right from your page.